Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and to our lesson Learning Basic Cantonese. Before we continue this lesson, I just want to say thank you so much for the 100 subscribers in my channel. Especially in this lesson, there are newly subscribers through this Cantonese lesson. I would like to say thank you to you because it is an encouragement for me to continue this learning basic Cantonese. So let us continue our lesson. Number one is go. In Cantonese, that is hoy. Hoy. And also in the word go, there are phrases that have the word go. For example, go home, go to work, and go to school. So in Cantonese, the word go home, fan okay. There's no such hoy, but there is a word go home, and the go home in Cantonese, that is fan okay. And also the word go to work, the same. Also the word fan is there, but hoy is not there. Fan kong, fan kong. In go to school, that is fan hok, fan hok. So the word hok, that is study or school, so it can be, or it is interchangeable. That's why we need to be familiarized, or we need to familiarize this usage of go. So in our example is, where do you go for lunch? So in Cantonese, ni hoi pindo sik an. Ni hoi pindo sik an. So you know the word pindo is the question. Sik an, that is lunch specifically. Sik man is dinner. Another example is, I went to Japan for business. In Cantonese, ngo hoi chou yat pun chut chai. Ngo hoi chou yat pun chut chai. So do you see the word chou? That is past tense of go. Yat pun, of course, Japan. Okay, let's go to number 2 verb that we can see in our note or in our book. Go out. In Cantonese, chut hoi, chut kai. So take note the word chut hoi and chut kai. The keyword is chut. The word out literally is chut. So chut hoi or chut kai. So in our example is, he has gone out for lunch. In Cantonese, koi chut chou hoi sik an. Koi chut chou hoi sik an. So you see the word go out, past tense of go out is gone out, that is chut chou. Another example is, I don't like to go out on Sundays because it is very crowded. It's very long, but let's try this. In Cantonese, ngo chung yi sing kaya chut kai yan wai ho tik yan. Ngo chung yi sing kaya chut kai yan wai ho tik yan. So take note the word chung yi, we already tackled that last time. Sing kayat, of course, that is Sunday. Sing kayat, lower yat. And chut kai, the word go out. The word yanwai, that is because. Actually, that is in a advanced level, but it's good that you will know that the word because. In Cantonese, that is yanwai. So last time we talked about if you ko, that belongs in the advanced lesson. So but it's good that we tackle that. So let's consider number 3 verb in this lesson is go up. So go up, you remember the get in or get on. So there is a similar or maybe the same song. So lower rising, I think, because there is an H in the middle. Song. So in our example is, I'll go up to the 10th floor to look for Peter. In Cantonese, ngo sang hoi sap lao wan Peter. Ngo sang hoi sap lao wan Peter. So Sung, go up, and hoi, it can be taken away because there's an open and close parenthesis. Saplaw, that is 10th floor. And one, that is look, actually. Look for Peter. One. One, actually that's higher tone. One. So let us proceed to another verb is go down, go up, and go down. Of course, we are familiar with the go down, that is lock. Lock, that's lower tone. Lock. In our example, I'll go downstairs to buy something. In Cantonese, ngo lok lao ha mai die. Ngo lok lao ha mai die. Take note of that. The lok is go down, lao ha, that is ground floor, or sabi dito sa English is downstairs, but it is also ground floor of the building. So lao ha. So my die, that is by, and something, that is die or tie. So that is the translation, and that's how they translate it. So in another example is I'll go down to the 5th floor. Ngolok mlao. Ngolok mlao. So let's go to another verb is guess. Guess what, or hulaan mo, something like that in Tagalog. So in Cantonese, that is ku. Ku. So in our example is make a guess. No, in Cantonese is nei kuha. Nei kuha. So that is the translation. So the second example is I guess it's going to rain. In Cantonese, ngo ku chao lai lok yu. Ngo ku chao lai lok yu. So chao lai is that is coming rain or going to rain. Rain is lok yu. So that is very easy. Okay, let's go to another verb is have or has. In Cantonese, yao. That's lower rising, yao. And our example is she has 2 children. Koi yao leung ko chai noi. Remember the children is chai noi, and yao is leung ko is number 2 or 2. Koi yao leung ko chai noi. Next example is do you have time? Nei yao mo si kan. Nei yao mo si kan. And sometimes people will ask you that. So we already tackled that last time. Another verb is have to. That is you. You. The same of the need. Have to or need. So that is the same. So in our examples, I have to go now in English. So in Cantonese, ngo yu chao la. Ngo yu chao la. Okay, another example is I have to make a phone call first. I have to make a phone call first. In Cantonese, ngo yu ta ko tinwasin. Ngo yu ta ko tinwasin. So the word ta, of course, that is call. Tinwa, that is phone. And sin, that is first. Ngo yu ta ko tinwasin. So another verb is help. Help. So I already shared this in my previous video, but let us consider this. Pong, pong. So in our example, what can I do for you? So I think it's very useful. Yao ma e pong tonei. Actually, also we considered this last time in our lesson. Yao ma e pong tonei. So another example is please make a copy for me. Mkoi pongo ying ya chang. Mkoi tongo ying ya chang. So that's how they use it, or how they translate it, either pong or tong. But the word is pong is help is pong. If you are asking for help or want to help people, actually pong. But in the emergency, it's different when you ask help. No, pag may mga emergency that's specific, gaomeng. So that's their usage of help, no, different situation. So another word is hold, no, yung paghawak. So dalawa pong paggamit ng hold. hawak or yung pag-hold ng mga events. So, the same lang. In Cantonese, that is hoi or cha, hoi or cha. Take note kanina yung hoi na go, that is middle and UI, and the hoi, that higher tone, HOI. So, parang malilito po tayo in this term. So, if you know the context of the conversation, I think you can understand. So, hoy or cha. Yeah, in our example is, the meeting will be held at 2 o'clock. So, long time hoy wui, long time hoy wui. So, long time is 2 o'clock and hoy wui is no, yung meeting na i-held or i-hold. So, hoy wui. Meeting is wui. Second example is, my friend will hold a birthday party at home. Ngo pang yao hai okay hoi sang yat wui. Ngo pang yao hai okay hoi sang yat wui. So, pag ikaw ay nag-hold ng birthday, hoi sang yat wui. Okay, another example is, he is holding a pen. Ito naman, iba na to, literally holding. Koi cha chu yat chi pat. Koi cha chu yat chi pat. Yung cha dyan is holding or hold. So, wala siyang kan sa ing, but maybe that's a different usage. So, another word, or maybe it's the last in our verb here, is hire. Hire, yung pagkuha ng empleyado. So, in Cantonese, that is cheng, cheng. So, in our example here is, I hired a Filipino maid. So, in Cantonese, ngo ching chow yat ko pan muy feyong. So, ang Filipino is panmoy. Actually, panmoy, that is refer to the girl, babae. And feyong, I think that's refer to Filipino. So, that is the understanding of it. Okay, last example is, I want to hire a secretary. In Cantonese, ngo siyang cheng yat ko peisu. Ngo siyang cheng yat ko peisu. Peisu is, that is secretary. So that's all for now, and I hope that you learned something from this video. I encourage you to please like and also share so that it will be a blessing to other people. So thank you so much and see you next time. Hachiken and God bless. Bye-bye.